Over 15 different programs, over 1,500 participating students, 11 different hosting school districts, preparing today's youth for tomorrow's workforce. The Charlevoix Emmet Intermediate School District Career and Technical Education Programs take you inside Char-Em CTE in 90 seconds.
Law enforcement officers, firefighters, conservation officers, search and rescue personnel, medical first responders. Some of the careers that make up the field of public safety, and some of the most important people in the workforce, our heroes, keeping our communities safe and protecting the public with selfless service. Housed at Pellston High School, the Public Safety Program gives us a look at numerous careers in public safety.
Push that button closest to the hose.
One day, we might find ourselves learning CPR, and the next how to quickly put on our turnout gear and operate a fire hose. We tour equipment used in public safety careers, from patrol cars to fire trucks, ambulances to even scuba gear. Yes, we even learned how to participate on a police dive team. Whether it be learning the skills needed to respond to a medical emergency or firearm safety, including proper technique and handling of weapons, we learn from highly trained law enforcement personnel and first responders.
And in my 25 years with Detroit Police Department, I realized gun safety is the most important thing. Aim in at your target, fingers on the trigger. And when you're ready, you got 5 shots, take your time, don't go fast. All right, ready? Go. Good shoot. Now, before I drop it.
From fire suppression to EMT and law enforcement to underwater search and rescue, we are exposed to it all, gaining critical real-world experience, giving us the opportunity to experience what branch we would like to pursue in our careers in public safety.
Thank you for checking out Char-Em CTE programming in 90 seconds. For more information on program offerings, locations, and enrollment, visit your high school counselor or contact the Char-Em ISD Career and Technical Education staff.